Hello and welcome to a new ADF tutorial, and today we will do a molecular dynamics simulation using DFTB. DFTB is a very quick and approximate DFT calculation system, and this is ideal for molecular dynamics because you can do a lot of computation and a lot of calculations in a short amount of time. So we will change our model to DFTB, and we will use benzene for this calculation. Here we go, benzene. And we will first do a geometry optimization in the SCC DFTB model with the recent directory. Please use all of these information balloons to help determine what settings are best for your calculation. Now, first we will pre-optimize the molecule, and then we will run our geometry optimization. As you can see, it's already finished. DFTB is super quick and easy. If you haven't tried it out yet, I would highly recommend you do so because it saves a lot of time. Now we will change our task to a molecular dynamics, and we will make sure that our model is the SCC DFTB because this one is a little bit more accurate than the average DFTB because it converges charges. Okay, now we will click this arrow and we will change the number of steps from 1000 to 2000 and our time steps from 0 to 0.5 femtoseconds. Our sampling frequency we will set to 5. And we also want to attach a thermostat to the system to see how the temperature changes over time. So we will go to thermostat, and we will select the Berenson thermostat, change our damping constant to 10 femtoseconds, and set the temperature to 500 Kelvin. There we go. Now we will save our job, file, save as. I will call it benzene molecular dynamics save. Now that it is done, we will start our job by choosing file, run. While this is running, we can monitor the job in real time, and you can see the steps counting up here. But when you want to monitor it real time, you go to SCM, and then you go to SCM movie. As you can see, this is the real-time MD simulation for the number of frames, and this is our energy. We will now close this, and we will wait until the calculation is finished to look at the entire picture. Okay, the simulation already has finished, and we will press yes to read the new coordinates. And now we go to SCM movie to see the entire picture. Here we can see how the benzene molecule moves over time as 500 Kelvin. That was all for this tutorial. If this tutorial was useful for you, please leave a like, leave a comment down below, let us know what tutorial you would like to see next. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this, and as always, take care.